Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites quickly. Make sure Windows 10 is at least build 19041 and your GPU advertises DirectX 12 Ultimate support. Once done, create a system restore point or backup current GPU drivers. This keeps you safe if something breaks. Next, open Settings, choose Update and Security, then Windows Update, and install all pending feature updates. These updates often include necessary DirectX runtime components. Because driver compatibility matters, note the exact driver version before updating it. Now you get the correct drivers. Download the most recent certified driver from NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and choose the Clean Install option if available. While installing, open optional features in Settings and add graphics tools if needed. This ensures developer runtimes install. Once the driver finishes, reboot. Then inspect Device Manager and the GPU control panel to confirm the driver version and feature set. If your GPU control panel shows ray tracing and variable rate shading toggles, you're on track. Finally, verify DirectX 12 Ultimate is active. Run DXDiag, save all information, and check the Display tab for D3-D12 feature level and ray tracing support. Then enable DX12U features inside the game or application settings. Toggle ray tracing, mesh shaders, or sampler feedback where offered. Make sure to test with a known benchmark or demo. If something fails, first roll back to the previous GPU driver or use the restore point. This resolves most incompatibilities without more invasive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.